Hello there. So today we are gonna talk about 5 most useful Cisco iOS commands that I feel can help you while working with Cisco devices. So let's get straight into it. Before that, the topology that I'm going to use is this router on a stick configured inter-VLAN restricted communication using multiple protocols. So if you want to know how to configure this, please do let me know in the comment section. So the command we are gonna first talk about is show IP interface brief. Now, many a times there are scenarios where you would be newly appointed network administrator and want to know about what are the IP addresses assigned on the interfaces, or you are troubleshooting and want to know about the IP addresses configured, and for those times this command is useful. Also, when using this command, you can of course also use it like ship in brief, and that works just as same. Now, the second command that we are going to discuss is copy run start. The command is copy running config startup config. Packet tracer autosaves any configuration made to the device. Well, that's not the scenario in the real world. When you make any secure shell connection or console cable connection to make changes to the device, you need to save it, or else whatever you configure will stay in the running config, and that is stored in RAM, which is a volatile storage. That means it's temporary. So if the device boots up, then the configurations are gone, and therefore we will fire this command without fail. The third command we are going to talk about is show run command, which is very important because if you're a network engineer and you want to know what are the exact configurations running on the device, you can't ask others, and to be fair, they won't be remembering it. You need this command to know the configurations running on the device. Now, this generates a very long output, and getting the information that we exactly want can be overwhelming. And hence, to sort the perfect piece of information, we use pipe with switches such as this. To run pipe include IP, or let's say interface. So it will include every configuration line containing interface word. Show run exclude access list. Now this will exclude all the lines having access list information. Or begin interface, which throws an output beginning with interface keyword. Or you can also use an OSPF, all the information about OSPF on the device. The next command is show IP route, which is one of the most basic command but a very useful one. What are the routes that the packets are ingressing or egressing, which is useful to know while maintaining connectivity and troubleshooting packet loss. And this has very intuitive codes like D stands for AGRP, L stands for local, etc. You can also modify this command to know routes contributed by routing protocols to the routing table. The last and I feel an important one is debug command. While show command do tell us the configuration on the devices, those are not real-time configurations. Well, debug is there for that. It shows all the real-time information the router is receiving or sending. Such as this, I want to debug all the OSPF events the router is going through, and here it is. So if I just remove this cable, and now you can see the debug output. So that's it. That's the video. If you found it informative, do like it. If you want your friends to know this trick, share it. And if you think video is bad or want to know any other network stuff, do comment. Till then, disconnecting.